हेलो स्टूडेंट आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे मैट्रिसेस के लिए असर्शन एंड रीजनिंग, जो कि आपके टर्म वन का सिलेबस है एंड नया कंसेप्ट है आपके लिए। और देखिए स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट असर्शन एंड रीजन। हर बार क्वेश्चन में आपको दो स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन होंगी। फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट बेटा असर्शन, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज योर असर्शन एंड सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इज योर रीजन। फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट बेटा असर्शन होगी, सेकंड स्टेटमेंट रीजन आएगी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट कंडीशन आएगी इफ बोथ द स्टेटमेंट वन एंड स्टेटमेंट टू if both the statement one and statement two are true, if both the statements are true and statement two is correct explanation of statement one, statement two is the correct explanation of statement one. Second condition आएगी बेटा if both the statements are true but statement two is not correct explanation of statement one. Third condition बेटा if statement one is true, statement one true है but statement two is false. Fourth condition if statement one is false and statement two is true. These are the four conditions for assertion and reasoning. First of all है बेटा both conditions are true but and second is the correct explanation of first term. Next condition है both are true. Third condition है first is true but second is false and the next condition is first is false and second is true. क्लियर है बच्चों? हर बार बेटा फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल चेक करना स्टेटमेंट वन एंड स्टेटमेंट टू, अच्छी तरह देखना एंड देन क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट सॉल्व करना। लाइक दिस क्वेश्चन बेटा, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है बेटा आपके लिए। सिमिलरली हर बार स्टेटमेंट गिवन आएगी बेटा, assertion and reasoning statement one and statement two गिवन आएगी। both the statements are true and statement true correct explanation and same terms हैं जो भी। now चेक करो बेटा फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट एंड सेकंड स्टेटमेंट। फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट बेटा if a is equal to this term is a square matrix, statement वन है बेटा this term is a square matrix, statement टू है aij is m into n and is a square matrix if m is equal to n. देखो बेटा both the statements are square matrix actually. First term is a square matrix 1 3 3 4 1 3 1 4 1 3 1 4. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. This is our square matrix. Square matrix है बेटा 2 cross 2 matrix. And statement 2 भी same है aij is equal to m into n. This is the definition of square matrix. Is a square matrix if m is equal to n. If m is equal to n, then this is a square matrix. Means both the statements are true. Both the statements are true. And statement 2 is correct explanation of statement 1. बेटा clear है ना? Statement true. Second is a correct explanation of statement 1. Both the statements are true. Both the statements are true. And second term is a correct explanation of first term. Therefore, option A मतलब A is your final answer. A term is your final answer. Option A is your final answer. Clear है students? Now next question check करो बेटा, कुछ starting easy questions करेंगे। Again given term same आएगी बेटा। First statement given है B is equal to minus 1 by 2 root 5 2 3 is a row matrix. बेटा first term given है, this term is a row matrix. Row matrix क्यों given है बेटा? This term contain only one row and any number of columns. One row है बेटा 3 columns है, 1 2 3 columns 1 row. Therefore it is a row matrix. Means first statement is a true. And second term definition of a row matrix है बेटा B is equal to Bij 1 into n, one row n column is a row matrix of order 1 into n. Clear बेटा? Both the terms are same terms. Both the statements are true. Second term is the definition of row matrix. Therefore, again, first option is correct option. मतलब A term is your final answer. मतलब first term is your final answer. Clear बेटा? Now, A option is your correct answer. A option is your correct answer. Now, option next check करो बेटा. Same term. If this term is a diagonal matrix क्या बना बेटा? Check करो all the elements are zero except diagonal terms. Therefore this matrix is known as diagonal matrix. बेटा टर्म ठीक है, बिल्कुल करेक्ट टर्म है. नीचे टर्म भी सेम है. A is equal to Aij is a square matrix. This term is a beta square matrix है. This term is a square matrix. If Aij is equal to 0, Aij 0 है for all I is not equal to j. I is not equal to j means A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. In this case, Aij 0 है बेटा, Aij 0 है if I is not equal to j. Means this term is not 0. This term is not 0, but this number is 0, this number is 0 because I is not equal to j. This term is 0, this term is 0, this term is 0. Means this is also a definition of a diagonal matrix. This term is a definition of a diagonal matrix. Second भी true है, first भी true है, second भी true है. Again, this term is also statement 1. मतलब both the statements are true and second term is the explanation of first term. Again, A option is your final answer. बेटा by luck है कि all terms का आंसर A आ जाएगा, but next question चेक करो, different हो जाएगा. I think scalar matrix A is equal to Aij. A is equal to Aij, where Aij k I is equal to j, 0 for I is not equal to j. देखो बेटा Aij, if this term is a scalar matrix, देखो for Aij, if we use 2 cross 2 matrix, this term is A11, A12, A21, A22. A11, A12, A21, A22. Our terms है. Now, beta value put करो. For I is equal to j, we use this term is k, 0, 0, k. देखो बेटा. For I equal to j, we have k. I equal to j. 1 and 1 both terms are same. Therefore, we use this term as a k. A12. A12 means A12. A12 means 0. A12 I is not equal to j, therefore answer is 0. A21 again answer 0. A22 answer k. Therefore, this is a scalar matrix. This term is your scalar matrix. Is an identity matrix when k is equal to 1. If we put this term as a k is equal to 1, then this term is your identity matrix. Clear है? Sure है? This term is your identity matrix. मतलब true है term. Second option again. Every identity matrix is not a scalar matrix. Correct option है every identity matrix means all terms are not scalar matrix. Means 3003 is not identity matrix. 4004 is not identity matrix. But if we use 1001, then it is identity matrix. Means every identity matrix is not a scalar matrix. But sure है बेटा every identity matrix is not a scalar matrix. Identity matrix, बेटा देखो identity matrix है this term. This is also known as scalar matrix. Every identity matrix is a scalar matrix. This condition is wrong. Every identity matrix is a scalar matrix. Every scalar is not an identity, but every identity matrix is a scalar matrix. Because identity with any order आ जाए, with order 3 भी आ जाएगा बेटा, then this term is also scalar matrix. Any identity matrix is a scalar matrix. But explanation है every identity matrix is not a scalar matrix. मतलब this term is wrong. This term is wrong. Statement 1 is true. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is second is false. That means option. बेटा option आ जाएगी C. Statement 1 is true. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Therefore, C condition is your final answer. In this case, C option is beta your final answer. Clear है बेटा? Next term देखो बेटा. Next term है बेटा. Same conditions. If this term is equal to this, then x is equal to these three numbers. X, Y, Z given है बेटा. X, Y, Z, W given है. Simplification करो. X, Y. First element is equal to first term 4. Next term. Second element is equal to second term 4 is equal to W. Next term Z plus 5. Z plus 5 is equal to 0, मतलब value of z is minus 5. Value of z is minus 5. And next term x plus y is equal to 4. देखो बेटा टू टर्म्स आ जाएंगे w4 z minus 5 x plus y4 and x is equal to y4. बेटा सॉल्व करोगे डायरेक्टली वैल्यू पुट करो और कैलकुलेशन चेक करो बेटा. If we put value of y is equal to 4 minus x in this condition, if we substitute in this term x is equal to 4 minus x is equal to 4, value of y substitute करोगे बेटा, this number is 4x minus x square is equal to 4. Therefore shift करोगे बेटा, this expression is x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. This term is equal to 0. Now if this term is 0, check करो बेटा, this is the formula for, this term is formula for x minus 2 4 is equal to, therefore value of x, put करोगे बेटा, value of y is also, x is 2, therefore value of y is also is equal to, put in this term, value of y is also. And देखो all answers are correct. x2, y2, z minus 5, w4. All answers are correct. First statement is true. Second term beta. Second statement is two matrices are equal. Two matrices are equal if their order are same. Two matrices are equal if their order is same. Clear है? Matrices are equal if their order is same and their corresponding elements are also equal. It is a definition of equal matrix. Two matrices are equal. देखो two matrices equal है if their order is same, like 2 cross 2 into 2 cross 2, and their corresponding elements are same. First term is equal to first term, second term, third, fourth. Means both the terms are true, and second term is the explanation of first term. Second term is the explanation of first term. Therefore, option A. देखो बेटा, option A is correct option. Clear है students? Option A is your correct option. Now, next question देखो बेटा. Assertion reason given है. If A, B given है term, if A equal to A and B terms given है, A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. This formula is not valid for matrices. This formula is not valid for matrices because AB is not equal to BA. AB is not equal to BA. But in this question, देखो बेटा, in this question AB बेटा, check करोगे value of A 2, 3, 1, 4. Value of B is actually बेटा, this term is your identity matrix. If we multiply with any identity term, our answer is same. Actually property है बेटा, A into identity term is equal to A. A into identity term is equal to A. Therefore, this term is 2, 3, 1, 4. Similarly, बेटा check करो BA check करोगे, B is again 1, 0, 0, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 4. 2, 3, 1, 4. Again देखो, if AI is equal to A, then IA is also is equal to A. I into A is also equal to A. Means this term is also is equal to A. According to this term, AB is equal to BA. AB is equal to BA. In this particular question, AB is equal to BA hai, because second term is your identity term. Therefore, this formula is valid. Because if we multiply separately means if AB is equal to BA hai beta, if AB is equal to BA, and if we solve this term A plus B whole square as A plus B into A plus B, 2 times लिखोगे बेटा, A into A square, right hand side solve करो, A square, A into B, AB, B into A, BA, and last term B square. Because according to our condition, AB is equal to BA. This term is written as A square plus AB plus AB plus B square. Means A square plus B square is equal plus 2AB हो जाएगा बेटा. This term is 2AB because AB is equal to B. According to this term, A, B, then A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Therefore, our first condition is correct. And for the matrices A and B given in statement 1, AB is equal to BA. बिल्कुल ठीक है. This is both the terms are true. And second term is the correct explanation of 1. Second term is the correct explanation of statement first. Therefore, A option is your final answer. A option is again, second term is the correct explanation of first term. Therefore, A option is your final answer. Clear है बेटा? Now, next question check करो बेटा. Next question. If A matrix A given है बेटा, then A transpose into A is equal to I. बेटा A transpose into A check करो. A transpose into A. Value of A given है बेटा A transpose. Its transpose is equal to 1 by 3 बाहर सेम आ जाएगी बेटा टर्म. 1 by 3 टर्म सेम. 1 minus 2 2 minus 2 1 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 2 1 minus 2 2 minus 2 1 2 minus 2 1 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. This is our A transpose. Now A transpose into A करो बेटा. A transpose into A. बेटा A transpose into A. A transpose into A. A constant number बेटा बार multiply हो जाएगी 1 by 9. Now value of A transpose 1 minus 2 minus 2. बेटा transpose clear है ना? Convert rows into column. First row into first column, second row into second column, third row into third column. Multiply करो बेटा. Multiply करोगे into जो main matrix है minus 2 2 minus 2 1 2 minus 2 minus 2 1. बेटा multiplication करोगे. अब multiplication term is जो भी multiplication term आ जाएगी चेक करो 1 by 9 बाहर आ जाएगा. A transpose into A 1 by 9 बाहर है टर्म बेटा. multiplication 1 minus 2 1 plus 4 and plus 4 term is 9. Next term beta minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 and plus 4 minus 2 and plus 4. This term is 0. Next term beta 2. Next term minus 2. Sorry, next term is minus 4. Next term is minus 4 and the last term is minus 4 and the last term is 2. Last term is minus 2. This term is minus 1. Sorry. Last term is minus 2 plus 2 हो जाएगा. Again minus 2 minus 2 plus 4. Next term beta 4 1 4. Next term beta minus 2 minus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Last term beta 2 minus 4 plus 2. Next term beta 4 4 sorry this term with this term minus 4 plus 2 and last term is minus plus 2 and last term 4 4 1. Actually beta solve करोगे A transpose into A. This term is 1 by 9 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9 and this term is equal to identity terms. Divide by 9 करोगे बेटा. This term is equal to identity term. Therefore A transpose is equal to I. Therefore our first term is true. First term is true बेटा. First term is true. Second term A transpose डबल टाइम ट्रांसपोज करोगे बेटा. अगेन वापस सेम क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. दिस टर्म इज आल्सो बोथ द इक्वेशंस आर ट्रू. बोथ द इक्वेशंस आर ट्रू बट सेकंड टर्म इज नॉट अ करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट. सेकंड टर्म करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म है. दे आर नॉट रिलेटेड विद ईच अदर. दे आर नॉट रिलेटेड connected with each other. Therefore, we use option B as a final answer. Check करो बेटा, both the statements are true. Actually, this term is statement B means both the statements are true, but statement 2 is not correct explanation of statement 1. Therefore, option B is your correct option. Option B is your correct option. Clear है बेटा? Now, next term देखो बेटा. Next term है same question है बेटा. For if the matrix A is symmetric matrix, if matrix A बेटा symmetric matrix है, given है matrix A is a symmetric matrix, matrix A is a symmetric matrix, then the values of A and B is. Firstly check करो बेटा, what is symmetric matrix? What is symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix है बेटा A transpose is equal to A. Transpose of this term, transpose of this number is 0, 2B minus 2. Next term बेटा 3, 1, 3. Next term बेटा 3A, 3 minus is equal to A. 0, 2B minus 2. 3, 1, 3. 3A, 3 minus. कंपेयर करो बेटा, कंपेयर करो. A ट्रांसपोज इज इक्वल टू A है, कंपेयरिंग करोगे फर्स्ट एलिमेंट विद फर्स्ट, सेकंड विद सेकंड, सेकंड विद सेकंड करोगे बेटा 2B इज इक्वल टू 3. देयरफॉर वैल्यू ऑफ B इज 3/2. एंड थर्ड एलिमेंट विद थर्ड एलिमेंट कंपेयर हो जाएगा. 3A इज इक्वल टू -2 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ A इज इक्वल टू -2/3. वैल्यू ऑफ A इज इक्वल टू -2/3. A -2/3, B 3/2. बेटा करेक्ट ऑफ टर्म्स है. Both the terms are correct. मतलब first condition is correct. Second term, if a square matrix A is a beta symmetric matrix आएगा. Is a symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is a symmetric matrix if Aij is equal to minus Aj. Beta this term is wrong. This term is not a symmetric matrix. If a square matrix A is a symmetric matrix if Aij is equal to minus of Aj. Aij is equal to minus of Aj. Aij means A, Aj means A transpose. बाहर माइनस आ जाएगा बेटा. Therefore, this is the wrong condition for symmetric matrix. This is the wrong condition for symmetric matrix. Aij means बेटा matrix A. Aj means transpose. Aj means its transpose. A is equal to minus of A transpose. A is equal to minus of A transpose. This condition is wrong condition for symmetric matrix. Means second term false है. Statement 1 true है, second term false है. 1 true है बेटा, second term false है. Then option C. Statement 1 true, second term false. Therefore option C is your final answer. Option C is your final answer. Clear है बेटा? बहुत simple questions हैं. Next हम देखो बेटा. If question same है, if A is equal to Aij, if A is equal to Aij is a skew symmetric matrix. If A is equal to Aij is a skew symmetric matrix. बेटा this term given है skew symmetric matrix. Then summation of I Aij is 0. Summation of I Aij is 0. देखो condition for skew symmetric matrix. Condition for skew symmetric matrix is A transpose is equal to, for skew symmetric matrix condition is A transpose is equal to minus of A. And second condition is all the diagonal elements are always 0. In case of skew symmetric matrix, अगर बेटा कोई भी skew symmetric matrix आएगा, if A is equal to this term, then its A transpose is equal to minus of A आ जाएगा. A transpose is equal to minus of A. In case of skew symmetric matrix, diagonal elements are always 0. Diagonal elements are always 0. Therefore, this number, diagonal elements are always 0. Therefore, check करो बेटा, diagonal elements 0 हैं. Summation of I Aij. Aij means when both I and only I है ना बेटा written. Only I means both terms are same. Aii. Summation means plus. Plus means summation means plus. Plus means A11, A22, A33 जो भी terms हैं. All sum of all elements are always 0. Check करो बेटा, sum of diagonal elements A11, A22. These are diagonal elements. these are diagonal positions. That means A11 plus A22 elements are 0 plus 0. Therefore, this term is 0. This term is 0. Beta, this number is 0. This term is true. This option is true option. Means first term is true. And second term, the elements on the main diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix are always 0. Correct है, बिल्कुल correct option है. And this term is correct and it is useful for first option. It is useful for the first statement. Means second statement जो है बेटा आपकी second statement is a correct explanation of first statement. Second statement is a correct explanation of first statement. Therefore, both the statements are true and second is a correct explanation. Therefore, option A is your final answer. Beta, option A is your final answer. Clear है बेटा? Now, next question है बेटा. Same terms हैं for assertion reasoning. For any matrix A with real numbers entries, consider the following statements. A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Second statement, A plus A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. बेटा check करो बेटा. First term assume करो is equal to P. A plus A transpose. बेटा its transpose use करोगे. If we use its transpose, whole transpose, according to transpose properties, we write this as a A transpose plus A transpose transpose. A transpose. This term is equal to A transpose plus A. Check करो बेटा. In this case, P transpose is equal to, in this case, P transpose is equal to P. In this case, P transpose is equal to P. P transpose is equal to P है. और P is, देखो P symmetric matrix. P symmetric matrix. बेटा अगर P symmetric matrix है, first correct term is our true. Second term बेटा. Second term, A minus A transpose. बेटा let करो Q is equal to A minus A transpose. कुछ भी assume करो, X assume करो, Y assume करो, कुछ भी assume करो. Now, its transpose use करो बेटा. Transpose use करोगे अगर बेटा, whole transpose. Q transpose is equal to A transpose minus transpose transpose. A transpose is written as minus A. Minus बेटा common करोगे, this term is A minus A transpose and this term is equal to Q transpose. This term is equal to Q हो जाएगा बेटा. Q transpose is equal to minus of Q. Q transpose is equal to minus of Q. If Q transpose is equal to minus of Q, it means it is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Q is skew symmetric matrix. बेटा P symmetric है, Q skew symmetric है, मतलब second term भी second term is symmetric matrix. Sorry, but second term is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, our second term is wrong. This term is wrong. Second condition is your false option. Second condition बेटा false है, first condition true है. First condition is true, second condition is false. Then first term is true, second is false. Then our C option, first is true, second is false. Therefore, our option C is your correct answer. C option is your correct answer and this is your final answer. C option is your final answer. Clear है बेटा? ये आपके लिए कुछ बेसिक असर्शन रीजनिंग क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आपके लिए फर्स्ट टर्म के लिए काफी हेल्पफुल होंगे. मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपके लिए डिटर्मिनेंट के असर्शन रीजनिंग क्वेश्चंस लेके आऊंगा. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.